Okay, let me quickly talk about comments because this is something fairly important that a lot of people don't use, but it's very important to make your code look nice. And it doesn't actually change your code in any way, but it helps you organize everything a bit more. So comments are basically text that you add to your HTML that does not have any impact to it. So it's just something for you to know and to remember and to help out maybe other people to know what's going on in your code. So maybe I might have a section like that form that we created here, and it does something, right? So let me just add just a empty form here, and you might have some things in here, okay? So what you can do is go up here and you can leave a comment on what the functionality of this form down here is, okay? Just to make everything clear. So to create a comment, what you can do is say, you can add this arrow to the left, the arrow to the left, oh my goodness, the smaller than sign, and then the exclamation, and then you do 2 lines like this, okay? And it auto completes everything for me, but it adds 2 more lines and a bigger than sign. So basically everything that you write here doesn't matter. It's not gonna show up anywhere. As you can see, we only have these inputs. It doesn't show up, but it helps you kind of know what you did. So maybe here I can say, this is a form for submitting user or submitting a login or something, or a register, okay? So now you can have a section like this, and then you can go down here. Maybe you can add another comment like this, and then maybe you have a section here with some content, maybe some images. This is going to be an image gallery. So when you're navigating through the code, it's going to be very easy to identify these small comments and to know what the code below is doing. So it's very important. I highly recommend you to add as many codes as you want, but also keep these simple, because if you have like a super big stack of code and then you add a lot of code in between the elements as well, like this, then it can get quite messy. So try to keep them as simple as possible and as short and useful as possible.